Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is IoT Applications on a Secured Shop Smart Shopping Trolley Shopping System using ESP32. So using RFID module. ES, ESP32, EM18 RFID module and 16 cross 2 LCD display. So EM18 it is connected with the RX2 GPIO 16th pin. RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7. Those are connected with the GPIO 23rd, GPIO 22, GPIO 21 and GPIO 19, 6, 18 and 5. Then I'll show you the block diagram of ESP32. So ESP32 development kit version 1, and here the 36 GPIO pin. So in the 36 GPIO, the RS it is connected with 23rd, enable 22 and D4, D5, D6, D7, 21, 19, 18 and 5th. So RFID it is connected with the GPIO 16th pin. So this is ESP32 module. We are showing the output onto the our IP address. So these are the items. So we are using only 4 RFID card. You can extend the RFID card quantity. So you can increase the number of quantity using switch buttons and the cost grand total. And if we are going to pay, the SMS will come, but I am not using the payment mode. Only I am displaying the data onto the screen. So Wi-Fi client RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7 Wi-Fi user ID password. I'm using the Wi-Fi internet. The pin connections I will show. So here we are using 9 volts input, adapter power supply, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and 5 volts LED, EM18 RFID module and ESP32 and a 16 cross 2 LCD display. Now I'm going to reset. So it will show you the items on the trolley. Bill is 0. Okay, so now here we have a web page. With the web page shopping trolley items. Now I'm going to add the mango with 1 kg 45, and the item should be added with fraction of seconds. So if you are going to pay final bill, you can press the final bill, then enter, then it will ask for the bill. So now only one item is entered. So now I am going to enter the next item, second item. So quantity is 2 and the bill is 70. So 25 rupees and the 45 rupees is cost is 70 rupees. So one quantity. So if we add the push button, we can increase the number of quantity also. Total 3 items, 1. So this is Lux soap. So the quantity is total amount is 100 rupees. Now I am going to add the fourth one. Okay, milk bread. So total 4 items added, 115. So total grand total is 115. Okay, now I am going to remove the milk bread. I have only 100 rupees. Okay, the final cost it will show you only 3 items added into the cart, 100 rupees bill. Within fraction of seconds it will update the data onto our web page. So now I have only 2 items, the cost is 70. So I am going to remove another item. So only one item is there, the cost is 25 rupees. I was taken only biscuit. So RFID module ESP32. So this is a 16 cross 2 LCD display and 5 volts power supply module. Okay, now I am going to eliminate last one. So 0 items and 0 cost. Zero item and 0 cost. Now I am going to add one by one. You can observe here. Okay, 45. 2. We can increase the number of cards also. Third card. At quantity is total 3 cards. 4 quantity. 4. Cost is 115. So secured smart shopping. Secured means each and every card having a unique address, unique number. With the number only we are attached the costing detail. With the costing we are going to pay the final bill. With the final bill you will get the SMS alert. No SMS alert I am not added. We can add for the GSM modem. With the GSM modem we will get the final bill. So thanking you. If there is any doubt let me know to SVS Embedded.